Good morning. How can I help you today?
I have a problem. I hope you can help.
I certainly will do my best. What kind of help do you need?
I need help with my attitude. I was told I need social media to be on top of trends. I created all the accounts. I am active in Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Second Life and Pinterest. I tweet, blog, post and pin every day.
That's great. You certainly are one of the most advanced patrons I see here in the library. But how can I help you?
I hate what I do. I don't like online presence. I don't understand why I need to update my status every minute. I absolutely disgust pinning the things I like to this ridiculous online pin board.
Oh dear, dear. Don't you cry. Have you tried to take a short break from all your postings?
No, how can I? I need permanent online presence. Otherwise I will left behind. Almost overnight.
Yes, I see what is happening here. You suffer from FOMO.
FOMO what?
FOMO, fear of missing out. But the great news is that you are not alone. And I know the great cure from this disease.
Really?
Oh yay. I am a librarian, you know. Have you read a book lately?
A book? Oh, I don't think so.
Poor thing. But don't you worry, I have one book for you. It will cure you momentarily. Let's go to the stacks.